Somebody pray for me. It been a day for me. Yeah.
Yo, what is up, YouTube? It's your boy Shoemanati, aka Grown, back. Oh my god! With another vid, bitch. Welcome back to the Shoemanati Show. Today, I want to give you guys a brand new unboxing of a pair of Air Jordans that haven't even released yet. Shout out to the plug who shall remain anonymous. He dropped me off with another jewel and I thought I'd hit you guys with a brand new unboxing. But before we do anything, please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the thumbs up on this video, click that like button, make sure you share this on all your social medias, and make sure you hit that little notification bell. That way you'll be notified every time I drop a new video because I drop consistent content. Shout out to the whole notification gang, the whole naughty gang, and everybody who pulled up as soon as I dropped this video. Salute to you, and of course, shout out to the whole Illumination, Team Dark Skin. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, let's get right into this brand new unboxing. Oh, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. So like I said before, this came directly from the plug. Shout out to the plug once again, who shall remain anonymous. He scooped these up early and he shot them my way so I could give you guys this unreleased sneaker unboxing. Of course, this is from Jordan brand. This is another Air Jordan. Wanted to scoop these up early and take a look at these. I think these might end up being setters, but you never know. The sneaker game is so fickle. A sneaker you might think would sell out like the Air Jordan 14 Last Shot will sit on shelves, and then a bum sneaker that you would think no one would care about, that's the sneaker that's hot and people are all over it. So you never know. But let's open this up. Let's check these out and let's see what they look like in hand, man. These sneakers released on July 21st, 2018. That's the only hint I'm going to give you. So let's open the box up and check these out. And of course, let's get rid of this because who gives a fuck about a box? And let's check them out. Of course, you got your red Jumpman with your cement print at the bottom. So this is an Air Jordan 3. But let's see what it is. The name of this sneaker is the Air Jordan 3 Retro, and the official colorway is white, white, and white. This is a triple white. This is the Air Jordan 3 Pure Money. So let's check them out, man. YouTube first look. And this is it, ladies and gentlemen. This is the Air Jordan 3 Pure Money. You have an Air Jordan 3 with an all white upper, and then you have that blue translucent outsole. You got white laces, you got your white full grain leather, then your elephant print on your toe and your heel is in white. The leather quality is pretty good, definitely better than the black cement 3s. Kind of gives me that free throw line Jordan 3 feel. Leather quality on these is amazing. Got your white laces, your white Jumpman. You got a grayish white insole with a white Jumpman. I mean, this is a cocaine all white, pure white Air Jordan 3. I think this is fire. It's nothing like the OG because you got that blue translucent outsole, but I think it gives a nice clean touch. But I would have preferred just an all white outsole. That would have been dope too. But clean, man. You got your Jumpman on your heel. Like I said, leather quality is on point. It's an all white Air Jordan 3. I think these are dope. If you guys want to see a review on this sneaker, make sure you hit the poll up top. Do you think I should give you guys a detailed review on this sneaker, or should I just pass it and we go with the unboxing? But you know, the Air Jordan 3, you just got that all white feel to it. And I think these are dope, man. I don't think these are going to sell out. This is going to be a general release. You never know. This will be a perfect summer shoe for summer 2018. Like I said, these drop on July 21st for a suggested retail price of $190. And this is the Air Jordan 3 Pure Money. Let me know in the comment section down below, what do you think about this sneaker? Do you like it? Do you hate it? Would you cop? Are you passing? Is this just not for you? Do you not like all white shoes, or is this perfect for you? And you'll definitely be picking this up for summer 18. This is the Pure Money Air Jordan 3. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the thumbs up on this video, click that like button. Shout out to all my day ones and everybody who've been rocking with me. Consistent content is coming, so stay tuned. Shout out to the whole Illumination and everybody who support me every time I drop a new video. I appreciate you guys rocking with me and just taking time out of your day. It's a million YouTubers, but you watching me, so I feel blessed to have you here. I thank you, and I see you guys in the next one. Illuminate. So you know how we do about this time. It's grown and I approve this message. Intangible entertainment. We famous, bitch. It's grown. I'm gone.
Hey, I gotta stay in my zone. Say that we been beefing, dog, but you on your own. First night, she gon' let me fuck cause we grown. I hit her, gave her back to the city, she home.
Intangible entertainment. We famous, bitch.